Hello, today's lesson is about creating points in SolidWorks, points and coordinate systems. So we will look at how we can create points and coordinate systems in SolidWorks. We already know how to create 2D points. 2D points are points which are used in 2D sketches. Now here we have 3D points under reference geometries. So we'll start the lesson. So the first method is arc center. So here I don't have an arc, so I'll use the second option and show you how to create a 3D point in the center of the face. Now you select the method and click on face. Software will automatically create a point for you in the middle of the face. So what is the usage of this point? This point is now it's not like a 2D normal point, it's a 3D point, and it comes to the design tree. So if it comes to a design tree, it's a feature, so we can run and edit the feature again, which is important. Now if you have a point like this, if you combine with axis tool, this point, you can create an axis going through this point like this. So I use the point and the face method and created an axis going through the middle of the face. So this is one of the applications of creating a point on the face. So we look at the other methods, intersections. So intersection is something like this line and this line are intersected here, and I can create a point like this, but this is not a good application to show this. If you have several curves drawn and if you want to get the common intersections, this intersection method can be used. I'll take another example and show you what is meant by arc center. So I'll take figure 16.17. Arc center. So we'll select the method and select this arc. So when you select this arc, software will automatically select the center of the arc. So if you get the center of the arc, now next thing is, if I want, I can create a coordinate system there or an axis there. So if I want to create an axis, you select the point created and select the face. So the axis is created going through the middle of the point. Now this axis can be used to create a 3D pattern later. So we have discussed arc center, we have discussed the center of face. Now for this application, if you look at the center of face, this is the center of face, automatically calculated by the software. Intersection we already done. Projections. On point. On point is something like if you have a 2D point, you can convert that 2D point to 3D points. For an example, say if I come here and create a sketch, say I have 2D point. It's my 2D point. It's a 2D point. So if you want to create a 3D point on top of this, overlapping the 2D point, so you use the on point method and select this 2D point and convert that 2D point into 3D point, which is now in the design tree as a feature. So there's one more option to discuss, that is projection method. Projection method is something like if you have a 2D point or some intersections, you can project that point onto a face. Now you cannot do anything, we have already know that. Say if I offset this plane, and if you want to locate a point on this face, we cannot draw it. So we have to draw it on a plane. So I created offset plane, say, then I'll come and say create a 2D point here. So we'll try to get the middle. Curve center line, it's kind of difficult. So I'll just create a 2D point here. Now this 2D point was created on this plane. Now if I want, I can project this 2D point onto this face. So this 2D point which I created can be projected to this face. So it's now on this face as a 3D point. Then I can create a coordinate system or an axis from this tool. I hope you understood the usage of point methods in SolidWorks. Next, I'm going to discuss about the coordinate systems. See you there.